Good afternoon. Jason here. Today is March 27th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, we concluded day 3 of our 100K Top Step Trader Trading Combine today. You can see from the statistics up here that we had a decent day. If you take a look here, we'll bring the calculator down. We had $330 plus on the CL, $450 plus on the ES, and we had $40.70 worth of commission. That gives you a total of $739. We're just under $1,700 positive after 3 days on this trading combine. We were down. We had a couple of trades here. We were up a little bit on the CL. We were down a little bit on the ES. When I show you this 3-to-1 reward to risk trade on the ES here today, you'll see that we were down before getting into that ES trade. We were up just a little bit on the CL. I'm also going to be in a CL trade, and both of these trades are going to be positive trades. The ES trade is going to be $650 positive, which is nice. But what I want you to listen to is what I said the targets would end up being on those ES trades. We'll talk about on that ES trade rather, and we'll talk about that here in just a minute. Let's talk about the CL. We had a nice trade up here short from 20 actually, right before the inventory number. We come down into the inventory number and then we rotate around just a little bit. We were looking to get short just under the VWAP. We missed our first chance here on this break, on this touch of the VWAP. It comes down into all the way down here actually to into this 59.60 area, rallies back up. We ended up taking, actually, okay, it went like this. We ended up we're trying to get short here, comes down to 63. We end up taking the pullback here at, you're going to see us get in at 82. Ultimately comes down to about 57 and then comes back and trail stops me out for 7 or 8 ticks. And we were looking actually to target down to our structure target down here, and we'd also talked about a little bit deeper down to this structure signal, but we did not get to participate in any of that because of this kind of jagged price action and the pullback. So that's one trade you're going to actually see me in when I show you the video. The trade that I really want to focus in on here is this ES trade. Once the market kind of rallies up, you're going to see us get in right here at this overnight structure mid. And what you're going to hear me tell you is that our target is going to be at right around 15, or we may come down as deep as 08.5. Well, the market comes down, makes this low, and on this pullback right in here is where it ends up taking me out before the market comes all the way down and takes out this structure target. Of course, it goes a little bit deeper here. We're going to turn off the day levels and turn on the bigger picture nightly levels, and you can see here how the market does overshoot the MS target. And as the day has gone on, comes right back and begins to rotate right around the volume weighted average price, which is not necessarily a surprise. So just to recap here, we end up getting in at this structure mid on the close, break and close below VWAP. We get in just underneath this structure mid. That's where you're going to see the video pick up. We talk about a target down here. The first target was going to be our daily structure. Was going to be this daily structure signal at 15, but we thought given the heavy move and nature of the move that we could come down all the way to 08.5. It comes down, bounces us around just a little bit, comes back, checks the structure signal, and then comes all the way down to the structure target. So it was a good trade. It ends up being a $650 2-lot, 6.5 point ES trade that was a 3 to 1, a little bit more than 3 to 1 reward to risk ratio. We're perfectly happy with that. We just know that with a little bit of luck, we could have come all the way down from 20.5 to 8.5, and that would have been good. As it was, it ends up being a very nice day. We're up about $740 today. We're up nearly $1,700 in 3 trading days on our 100K Top Step Trader Trading Combine. So what I'm going to do now is let you watch this trade of the day. You're going to see that CL trade that we get into. It takes me out, I think, at like 7-8 ticks, and then on a trail stop. So positive 7 or 8 ticks, and then you'll get to see how that ES 6.5 point trade works out as well. So without further ado, here are those OTG trades of the day. In short at 20.5, 22.5 is a stop. 22.5 is a stop. We're looking at 15.5 down to maybe 08.5 as a target.